I've been expecting you. Goddamn mercenaries.
What you might think is impossible is already in motion. This is coming from someone who has survived and managed to escape these miseries. You will lose your family and all what you work for. I want you to be aware of it and find the way to stop it. If you love your God, your country, and you want to keep it, then you must educate yourself. Read my books. This is my final mission.
We interrupt this program to bring you breaking news. Developing story of a seizure of over $20 million in counterfeit. Local restaurant owner arrested, claims innocence.
We interrupt our coverage of the Olympic Games to make this announcement. The largest seizure of counterfeit $100 bills. Cuban national arrested, 22.6 million seized.
My name is Dr. Julio Antonio del Marmol. My code as a spy is the Cuban lightning. I was born and raised in Cuba, and I've been seeing the lies up close. At 12, I became the youngest commander in the revolution and the youngest spy for the West in the history of the world. With my books, I hope to open your eyes to the reality of today, my friends.
The ghost freedom fighter and master spy Dr. Julio Antonio del Marmol risked it all when he led the Operation The Zipper with the blessing of President Reagan, the most daring, desperate operation to stop communism spreading in the Caribbean islands and around the world. It brought down the Soviet economy and the Berlin Wall and almost landed Dr. del Marmol 75 years and 6 months in federal prison. You will find the details in the Cuban lightning, The Zipper. Courage is not easy to find. That courage is what Dr. Julio Antonio del Marmol possessed as he confronted the evil and establishment forces at the early age of 12, risking it all by being the youngest commander in the Cuban Revolution. He turned against the power of the elite and became the youngest spy in history. You will find all the details in the Cuban lightning, The Zipper, and keep a Russian roulette of the world. It's not easy to put at risk for the good of humanity, but Dr. Julio Antonio del Marmol did it over and over again. At the age of 12, he became the military leader in the Cuban Revolution and 6 months later became the youngest spy for the West. 10 years later, he escaped with his cover blown, suing for 12 hours to Guantanamo. 40 years later, he fearlessly confronted a U.S. president who embraced the communist regime. You will find the details in The Lightning and Bin Laden.
Conflictos y violencias, nos iremos donde esté Dios.